Hello guys, welcome to virtualboard. So very quickly let me tell you how can you download node in your system. So what you have to do, basically go you can open any of your browser and type download node. So this first link that will appear, click on this, and if you want to download the latest stable version, you can simply download it from here. This will download the latest version according to your operating system. So if I'm using Windows, so I will click on this, and if I'm using any other operating system, so I'll select likewise. Okay, but if you do not want to download the latest stable version and you want to download some previous versions, let's say node 16, node 14, then how you can do that? So if you will scroll to the down, you will see previous releases, and if you will go here previous release, then you can find the specified versions. So these are the versions of the node, and let's say if I want to download this version, I'll click on releases, and this will redirect me to this page, and simply I can select any of the files. So I prefer you selecting these into 64 or into 86.msi extension files. So once you will click on them, once you will click on them, it will start downloading. So as I have already downloaded, so I'll show you how you can install it. So I'll cancel this, and this you can see in the downloads folder. If I'll double click on it, so it will ask me that do you want to run this file. I'll say run, and the installation will start. I'll say I accept, next, 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 install, and it will install the node.js into my system. And how you can check that node.js is installed in your system or not, so that also we are going to see in this video. See, it says node.js has been successfully installed. We'll click on finish. Now I'll open a command prompt and I'll type node -v. So you can see the version 16.20.2 has been installed in my system. So that's all for this video. If you have any more doubts, you can comment below, and thank you for watching the video.